Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for science and educational choice business easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can create your website from here. So let's start with this, see templates. So here you can choose the topic from here, educational choice. So the type you can choose it from here. Maybe it's online store, so it might be an online store and courses. Maybe it's courses. So that's it. You can choose one of these templates here. You can start with one of these here, and you can also build your own template. So let's get started from here. Oh, let's go. So here you can enter your business name. Type any name for science and educational choice. Now you have to build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, add in as many or as few sections as you need. So this is the first section, the intersection. So the first section must be an interactive section. So you have to try your best to make it attractive. So you can do anything to make it better and make your website looks better and attractive. So also the product section. All the sections must be an attractive sections. The about section and the social section, the form section, and the last the footer section. So let's continue. Add page to your site. Here choose the color palette and choose the font. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can choose if you wanna continue and describe something, add details about your website, and choose the writing style, or if you wanna skip. I'm gonna skip this. So if you want to edit, you can edit it from here. This is your home page right now. So the first, you can change this text here, introduce your brand. Welcome to, for example, you can type welcome to our site for science and educational choice. And you can change here the text on this label. For example, shop now. And you can edit the text from here. You can introduce in the Squarespace AI, so that doesn't matter. So now let's move on to this section. So you can here edit the and customize the grid and the row counts, the gap, the fill screen, the height, and the alignment. So now let's move on to the background. So you can select just a simple art from here, or you can add the image as a background. Go to the here and select from library. So you can search here on science and educational choice. So you can choose one of these here. I'm gonna choose this for example. Like this. You can choose any image looks better than this to make your sites looks better and attractive. So you can add a section. If you want to add something on your homepage, just click here and select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage, images or videos, menus, whatever you like, anything you like. Also you can change the view. You can make it like a mobile view. That's it. You can move it down, move it up, save it from here and duplicate it. You can also add a block, a text or image or video or map or line, whatever you like. So that's it. Now let's go to the site header. You can change the site title and the logo image. You can upload the logo as a file or select from library. Also you can add the mobile logo image here. The same thing, you can upload as a file or select from library. Now let's go back into to the elements. You can turn this on and change the text on this label. You can edit the social links, add a social link or email. Also you can turn this on, the language switch. You can change the icon style. Also you can change the style, and you can turn this on, the fixed position. You can edit the desktop section here, the header layout and the width, the vertical pattern and the element spacing and the link spacing. And if you if you edit as a mobile view, you can edit it from here. So that's it. So I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna continue this on the second part of this video of this business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video in the second part of this business.